bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others.
Happy Mother's Day from His Life Memento. Happy Mother's Day from His Life Memento. Happy Mother's Day po.
Hello po ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng tulong po sa akin sa pagbigay ng maraming masasarap na pagkain po. Tsaka maraming salamat po sa pagtulong sa akin sa mga assignment na ginagawa ko po. Maraming salamat po din sa paglaki po sa akin, ma. Ginawa mo po ng mabuting anak po as na kalusugan po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po, ma. Thank you po.
Hello. Happy Mother's Day po sa mama ko.
Yeah, He was being good to
Hello,
me.
Happy Mother's Day. Ingat palagi. Advance happy birthday.
I bet you could have used a minute,
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
just a little
Maraming salamat
time
po dahil
alone.
naghahanap po kayo ng paraan
But you let me be your little shadow,
patulungan sa aming mga problema.
following wherever you would
Maraming
go.
salamat po dahil ikaw po
Then I
ang
got a
pagpapalagay
little
po sa amin,
older,
sa aming mga pang-araw.
and you gave me
Sana po ay
space to
mag-enjoy po
grow.
sa araw na ito.
I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but
Maraming salamat.
I want you to know.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa buhay na pinagkaloob sa ng Diyos na ginamit upang maging ilaw ng aming tahanan. Maraming salamat sa pangunguna sa amin, pagtulong at paggabay sa amin sa araw-araw namin ginagawa. At lubos naming ina-acknowledge ang mga ginagawa mo sakripisyo para sa pamilyang ito. At naway patuloy kang bigyan ng Diyos ng kalakasan, gabay at good health sa araw-araw mong ginagawa. Maraming salamat, Ma, at hindi mawawala ang pagmamahal namin sa iyo. Sa muli, Happy Mother's Day sa aming magiting na ina at maging sa mga kananayan riyan. Happy Mother's Day din po. Maraming salamat.
Magandang umaga po. Happy Mother's Day. salamat po sa inyong
No
walang
place where I
sawang
don't feel
pag-aalaga at
love.
pagsisakripisyo para
They
sa
say
ating
I'm the gift that heaven gave
yung
me.
role na ginagampanan nyo in every
But
day of
mama,
our
I'm
lives. So you
a
deserve so much appreciation.
'Cause when
Kayo po
God
ay isa
made you
sa
my
pinakamagandang example ng
mother,
Panginoon na
He
kanyang
knew
pag-ibig
I
as it is written in Proverbs 31.
when He picked you
Nawa
from
ay
the
maibig na po itong araw na to and
He
reminders
could already see.
Happy Mother's Day po!